Wi-Fi disabled problem Android easy fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can solve the Wi-Fi disabled problem on Android with an easy fix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your Wi-Fi is not working on your Android, but also you have to understand that sometimes not all the issues are with the Android phone. If you have some other devices at your home, such as your TV, your laptop, see if the Wi-Fi is working there as well. If the Wi-Fi is working in none of your devices, the issue is not with your devices but with the Wi-Fi. So you might actually want to call your internet service provider to see if that is actually the problem. The other thing is, if it's working on other devices very perfectly, if it's not only working on yours, then the issue is most likely with your device instead. So what you can try to do instead of that is, you can just try to do a simple software reset of all the settings. So go to about phone, depending upon the phone that you're using, go to reset and then reset all the settings. Now I'm only asking you to reset the settings, not anything that you have other than that, because you might want a factory erase as well. Now if you can somehow connect to some of the other Wi-Fi that might be available, you can just try to look for a simple software update in this case. Once you try to update your software, you should be able to solve that problem as well. If none of the solutions work, try to turn off your Wi-Fi and then just try to connect to flight mode and then turn on Wi-Fi, restart your device and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.